So this bird down here is catching water from a block of ice.
Attached to a dirt bike.
It's on the gas tank of the dirt bike.
Yeah.
So we discovered that this bird was very thirsty.
It was drinking our pee.
Yeah, I didn't quite want to say that that's how we found out, but yeah, desperate for a drink, this bird. Oh, where'd he go? Our blue jay bird friend. We put a block of ice up on the gas tank to see if he'd take interest, and he did. But instead of getting on the seat, he just was catching the water as it dropped down below. It's pretty impressive. Guess things are desperate for water out in these parts.